Okay. It's been a day. So I had this I usually write down in this book, reflection for the day, my plans for my video for the day as well. And I had it all planned out. I really did. And sometimes plans don't work. So long story short, on the camera that you're watching right now, I was, for whatever reason, seeing some sort of glare in the camera, so I decided to try to fix it. And when I tried to fix it, which I thought I did, it didn't work. So I pressed something to make my camera go into slow motion. So I just recorded for about 10 minutes in slow motion this very elaborate video of me showing you the map of where I ran this weekend, but I just don't have the energy to share it or do it over. So I went for a run. It was deadly. So there's this lake called, what is it called? I think it's Hote or West Lake. And it's basically a very long lake that's around 20 kilometers. And for whatever reason, I thought, even though I hadn't run in such a long time, I could do it. So I got to the about 7 or 8K portion of this run, and I told myself, based on my age and based on my health and based on me knowing myself, that I needed to stop. So I stopped. It took me about 2 hours to get all the way around. It's okay. It's okay. Regardless, that was me trying to record, and I don't have that video to show you. I'll save it for another day. This week, I did get some news that we will be talking to a marketing team. Now, I don't know if this means anything besides an introduction, but it's happening. It is definitely happening. With that, I took it upon myself to reach out to a few friends and kind of try to get an idea of what that conversation might look like or how I can prepare. And they gave me some really, really great advice. Come prepared, be creative, and have your own ideas, which is great, because now I can start to brainstorm some of the things I'm thinking about and possibly pitch it to them when we have a conversation. So I also had school this week. School happened. It will happen again tomorrow. In regards to writing this week, it didn't happen. Other than that, I am doing okay. I was gonna say great, but I'm doing okay. Things have been very busy, but it's another vlog. It's uploaded. And if you're watching, thanks for tuning in. Peace.